Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Channel International. I am Bishworaj Poudel, and in this video I will help you to learn MCP server with practical demo. First of all, let's talk about MCP. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is the standard way to connect AI with your data and apps. Let me share my screen and let's learn more about MCP. Okay, let's say you are asking AI for help and it already understands what's in your file, notes or apps without you needing to copy or explain anything. That's what MCP, Model Context Protocol, does. It lets AI connect directly to your tools and data. Okay, so it can give you more helpful and accurate answer. MCP was created by a company called Anthropic to make AI smarter and more useful. Okay, now let's learn more about Model Context Protocol. Model Context Protocol is a new and open standard that helps AI easily connect to your data and apps. Okay, I will show you one demo. Usually each app need a special way to connect with AI, which is complicated and takes time, but with MCP it easily solves that problem by creating one simple secure way for AI to talk with many apps. You can talk with your file, Google Drive, Slack, GitHub and database. No limit. Okay, this means AI can directly talk with your tools and data. You get better and more personalized answer. Developers can integrate AI more easily into real workflow. Okay, in short, MCP helps make AI assistant smarter and more useful by giving them the context they need to truly help you. Okay, and why MCP? AI assistants are getting smarter and more popular. We are using ChatGPT, Gemini and other AI tools, but they still have a big problem. They can't easily access your data because it is stored in different places and systems. If you are using your computer and you are using LLM, if you want to connect with your own data, then that is one problem, but MCP solve that problem. Okay, I will show you one practical demo. Every time you want to connect with new data source, it needs a special setup which is hard to manage. MCP solve this problem. It gives AI a simple and common way to connect with different data source. This makes it easier and more reliable for AI to get information it need to help you. Okay, now let's see the demo of MCP. Okay, I will create one MCP that will automatically create file. Okay, for that, first of all, the easy method is to download this Claude desktop. Just search for Claude desktop and download this software. Okay, I'm using Windows, so I click this one. Okay, it may take some time to download. Okay, another one is you need to download Node.js. Okay, just download Node.js. Okay, here is our Claude is installing. That is good. Also, you need to download Node.js. Okay, click on this download long-term support. Okay, I'll click on start download and click on open. Next, I will accept the agreement. Next, next and next. Install. If you see any prompt, then just press yes. Okay, now I think everything is ready. Okay, just click on get started. Node.js is successfully installed. To check, go to command and type node space node-b. Okay, here is the version of node. Okay, it means you successfully installed node. Click on get started and just click on continue with Google. Now our cloud desktop is connected to our Google account. Okay, I'll click on skip. Okay, now good. Now we need to connect it with MCP server. Okay, just search for MCP in your browser. Okay, I'll say MCP server and you will find this GitHub repo, model context protocol servers. Basically you can find lots of MCP servers. One is Brave Search, one is AWS KB, Retrieval. Okay, everything, fetch, file system. Let's use file system. Okay, it can help you to manage your file. It can read file, write file, create list or delete directories, move file, directory, source file, and get the file metadata. Okay, this is cool. And if you want to use this, then you can do this with Docker. This is not a Docker tutorial, so we'll do this with npx. Just copy this one and go to file and go to settings, then go to developer, and you need to click on edit config. If here is nothing, then that is okay. Just click on edit config and you need to double click this cloud desktop config. Okay, and just remove all the things available here. Just paste that. Okay, here is that thing, and I will remove last one. And okay, you need to create one directory. Okay, I will go to C drive and I will create one directory, that is MCP server. Okay, now I'll copy this one and paste it to here. Okay, double black slash if you are using Windows, that is good. Now just close this one and you need to close this software also. Okay, just close this cloud desktop and just exit from here also, quit this app and open again. Okay, when you open it again, then you can say create one file called multiply.txt and add multiplication of 5 from 5 into 1 to 5 into 10. Okay, I'll just click on go. Okay, it will create a file because of MCP server. I'll just put it here, and if it asks for any permission, then just allow for the permission. Okay, allow for this chat. Okay, allowed, that is good. Now here it will create one file. Okay, here is that file. Okay, here is the multiplication table. Okay, this is very easy, and thank you so much for watching. If you need other video on MCP, then comment down below. Your brother is always ready to help you to learn AI and new things, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. See you. Thank you.